We're just having a little picnic here.
Lose them fucking bullets.
Here, give Scott his rifle back. Using the mortar on it? Fair enough.
We'll start down there, we'll start down the left.
Well, there's quite a few on the right here. If you want to wait until they move out again. Gotta get a wee video of this. Should be, yeah.
Hey, two's home. Hold out, strike and drop it.
Guy running.
Let's see, hang on. Right there.
You sure that's gonna fire out?
I don't know.
For fuck's sake, and I'm holding it.
Let's check that first.
Fuck!
No, you alright?
Yeah.
Go.
That was a bit of a fail. Yeah. I was right in the middle of the work.
Really?
Yeah.
Woo!
Actually go.
No, take your hits. Oh, it was just before them, fuck's sake.
Oh, fuck.
I just thought it blew up. I fucking see that shit.
That was crazy.
Did it fucking blow the thing off?
No, no. It's fine.
You have to see the flame out the back and everything.
It's still working.
Yeah, it will be.
Is there a grenade? Yeah.
That's the first charge, that's just a cap.
Yeah.
Hit it a smack like that and that's it, done. That's it.
Yeah.
That's fucking awesome.
It looks fucking worn now, like, looks nice.
You got about 4 in the centre, 5.
I thought it just blew.
Any more?
That was fucking awesome.
That was class.
It looked like a fucking, I mean, I dropped a real mortar in that. It looks like poof. Fuck me. Is that plastic?